Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to just try to do the same thing we were doing the other day and just use some drop shot and try to find some bigger fish. And yeah, we're just going to run over here to this rock pile that the guy at the local tackle shop told us about. Give that a try for a while and then, yeah, see what happens from there. Yep, we'll catch you guys when we hook up. Me bait, but not me rigging.
That's good. At least they got your bait and not your weight.
Yeah. Really?
One.
Bass, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming up for the jump.
Maybe? Nope, no jump. Just ripping. Not that big, but he's a good one.
Drop shot?
Drop shot.
Oh yeah. 2.5 pounder.
See if he wants the grab or not.
He be.
Oh, you don't like it.
Are we spot locked?
Oh, that one's got the snub nose.
Oh yeah.
Little fat one there.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
First real bass of the day besides
just
the...
not even hooked.
Not even, just in his mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Pretty good one.
Good deal. Catch another one. Oh, it's like a little valley.
The belly of the lion.
Yeah, the belly of the brooks. Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. Another big cat?
No.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Alright.
Maybe. Or it's a nice bass. Doesn't feel quite as heavy.
Okay.
But it also feels heavy.
Yeah.
Now it's really heavy.
Arms getting
Now it's really heavy.
the big
I can't even pull it.
Might just be a freaking 7-pounder.
It felt like a bass hit.
Looked pretty shaky at first and mean.
If this is a catfish, it's bigger than the last one.
Oh, really?
I think so. It feels way heavier. For a second there, I feel like I can't pick it up right now.
Oh,
or I'll break the line.
Yeah.
Just oh, coming up a little bit. It's definitely got to be a catfish.
Oh yeah, that's not even coming off the bottom. Yeah.
Dude, Why do I gotta catch the catfish?
Yeah, why can't we just catch the bass? They're like, your bait just smells so good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, that must be a toad.
I think so.
Probably definitely gonna need the net.
Oh.
Yeah. This ain't no belly grabber here, boy.
No, this ain't no belly grabber.
Oh.
I got leader,
Oh.
finally.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a big catfish.
Oh,
I don't know where he went.
in the green.
In the green.
Look how big that tail is.
Holy smokes. Oh, I don't think you'll even get in the net.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh! Yeah, that's a big frickin'. I'd have to weigh that one. Holy smokes.
Just skin hooked. Their skin's so tough that they just don't even unhook.
Yeah.
Yeah, get the scale.
Man. Tank.
Cause that might be like a 10-pounder.
That's
An actual 10-pounder.
big old catfish right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Where's the scale at?
I thought that it was right there. Maybe I moved it down by me. That thing better not have flown off the boat too.
Yeah, that was no good.
Oh, it's right there on the steering wheel.
Oh, hiding. Okay.
Ow!
Okay, we're back. Gotta wait on this huge catfish. Okay, ready? Oh wait, you gotta pick it up.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, it's still not working. Pick it up again. Okay. Oh! He's mad. But he's
God.
1270 on stop
1270.
1289, 1296. Oh. Yeah, that's a huge cat.
That's cool, dude. Never would I have caught a 15-pound catfish back at home.
No, that's crazy.
All right, dude. Thanks for the fight. That was fun.
Oh man, big old catfish. Still locked in at 1366. That might be a little bit heavy, but that's a big catfish.
Dude, that was cool.
Yeah, man. Maybe we should just start fishing for catfish.
Yeah, make a catfishing channel,
Yeah.
not a bass fishing channel.
The catfishing dogs. Okay, well, let's try to find some bass.
Mm-mm. No tackle left behind.
Okay. It's too fresh.
It's snaggy up in there, I'll tell you that.
Snag. Looks like drop shot snagging this rock around.
It'd be.
Now we're working this ledge right here next to these reeds, pulling a jig and a little Ned rig craw off of it. See if we can get a couple bites. He did get one of my claws.
Oh no.
Yeah. Hooked up.
Little guy.
Okay. Oh, double. A double with the midgets. Let's see whose is bigger. Oh, snap. Looks like Brandon got the little bit bigger one this time. Oh, yeah.
Whose is bigger?
No, mine could just go in this one. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
You want a little
What do you think, Brooks? What about 2? Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little bat.
On the old finesse jig
And on the old other finesse
type
Ned.
of deal. Okay, well, I think we just keep doing that.
You went from snagged up to hooked up.
Snagged to hooked up.
Oh, let's see if you can do it again.
Nope, now it just broke off. Brandon's hooked up.
Snagged up.
Oh, man. Gotcha. You thought he was hooked up, didn't you?
Gotcha.
Yeah, nope. Just snagged, man.
Probably doesn't even look like it's on camera, but it felt like I just almost died.
I'm gonna get juiced up here.
There he is. Really?
Yeah.
B-A-S-S.
BASS. First nicer one of the day.
Oh, let's stay out of there. Think we'll be able to put that one?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That one there's probably close to 3-pounder.
And there you go,
Yeah.
on hook.
First one of the day there. Nice little joker.
What do you think?
It's like one more bite. I was like, that's too juicy of a little rock pile to not have a fish.
So I'm like, good stuff here.
You hook one behind those dock pilings, it's a little bit scary.
I didn't know when he was going to come up. I was like, what? Where is he coming from?
I was just like, what do I got?
What do I got?
Look at that thing. Oh, that was a bass that time.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. See him?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's got something.
Oh, he's
Dude, that's
almost
a,
dead.
get the net. Grab it. Hurry. Let's see if we could help this poor guy.
That's a big bass.
Yeah. Huh.
Holy shit.
Must just have something stuck in his throat.
Dude, that's a fucking 6-pounder.
Biggest fish of the trip just has a humongous bluegill stuck in its mouth.
Oh my.
That is crazy. Look at that. Choking on a huge bluegill. See if we could try to... Holy smokes. Man, you got that thing stuck in there. Maybe I could push it out. Holy smokes.
God. That is a giant bluegill.
Thing was just choking on that huge bluegill right there.
Dude, throw that thing on the scale.
Yeah, we gotta see if you can get helped out here.
Okay, well, this is the bass we just saved. This is the bluegill it was choking on.
About as big as my hand. And she is ready to go.
Yeah, we're just gonna weigh her and just let her go.
Oh man. Okay. Oh,
515.
5:15.
That's a big one there. Okay.
She's ready to go.
Don't choke.
Gone. Saved her.
Man,
Good job.
We'll let the bluegill go too.
Oh, it swam away. Hell yeah, that's cool. Hey guys, just getting back off the water and had a pretty good day today. Didn't catch any giant fish or anything. Started out with some drop shot and went to some crankbaiting and then scooped up that bass with the bluegill stuck in its throat. That was pretty unbelievable.
Yeah, that was nuts. I don't think we'll ever have that happen again in our life. That's a once in a lifetime type of deal.
Yeah, never seen anything like that before.
Yeah. But caught my PB catfish on this journey out today, and that's pretty cool in itself because you don't just go back home and catch a 15-pound catfish, you know, just drop shotting on an offshore spot. I don't even think there's a 15-pound catfish in the lake we have back at home.
Yeah, no. I don't think our catfish get really even like more than 5 pounds back home.
Yeah.
We got little tiny guys.
Yeah, and they're not even on the big lake. So that's pretty cool. All in all, it was a slow day, but it was still a good day and had some crazy things happen. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode.
Like and subscribe.